we're back, we're here, of course, camping where else but the beach, and this time I'm camping with a mate, Blake from Dusty Roads Oz. I'll put his link down below. He's got his Hilux up here. We're up here on Father's Day because we don't have kids. Do you have kids? No kids for Blake, no kids for me. So we're treating ourselves to a Son's Day on the beach camping DI. Okay, so we're in damage control. It's starting
to rain.
It's starting to rain.
It's like the stars are aligning or something like that.
It's actually really starting to rain out here now. We thought that the fire wasn't big enough to put the what's that thing called?
Camp oven?
The camp oven directly onto it. So we kind of put it into the fire. You'll see kind of in the footage. It might not turn out because it was so dark. We put it in it thinking, oh yeah, that'll be better. Blake was like, we better check it just to make sure we're not burning the arse off it. We pulled the lid off and it was like, it's flaming.
It's cooked. Flaming grilled camp
It's
roast.
flaming grilled roast. And then it started raining while we're trying to pull the camp oven out of the fire. So we've had to pack everything up really quick.
Everyone's coming up Millhouse, isn't it?
It's, oh shit, it's hilarious. But it's okay now. Everything's packed away.
Yeah.
Blake's chopping up vegetables to put it in the oven to try and cool it down a bit.
Yeah. Just out of there.
just
Throw it out in the ocean.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's all happening. Goodness me.
Having fun, but
We are having fun.
as long as something's edible.
As long as something's edible. I do have some veggies in my thing. We can always throw them in the travel buddy if we really get stuck.
Now that Troy says that, we probably should have put the roast in the travel buddy.
We might have to yet if this rain picks up.
Yep. Didn't even think about that. Probably would have been a better thing.
I think he's saved the day. Okay, we're gonna taste test the, what is this?
Lamb roast.
Lamb. So I don't know if I said this before, but there's something in here that we're not sure what it is. We're guessing, it's a pure guess, right, that it's a parsnip.
It's a guess.
It's a parsnip or maybe a turnip?
It's like a potato, but not a potato.
It's like a potato, but a carrot form potato.
It tastes like a carrot.
It does taste like a carrot. Is there such thing as a white carrot?
White carrot? I don't
that
know.
thing?
That's not half bad.
It's not bad. It's a bit, it's got a bit of a weird aftertaste.
It's a gift that keeps on giving.
Dinner is done and dusted. Packing up, cleaning up. I gotta set my swag and stuff up yet, so I'm gonna call it quits for tonight, and I will show you guys around camp tomorrow, and yeah, chat a bit more. Anyway, see you in the morning. After a successful night braving the rain and the wind, woke up, said get the hell out of where we're camping because it was way too windy, and we've zipped over here to the lagoon and it is just perfect. Check that out. Oh, heaven. Anyway, it looks like there is more rain coming, so we're going to make the most of it while we're here, and to be honest, I'm probably not going to film anything else, so.